Welcome to my channel, a place I share my art experiences. By the way, my name is Leslie, an artist from California, San Francisco.
Hi, I am Taco. I am the assistant so my master can focus on art. Today we like to show you how to plan and complete this contemporary landscape art in acrylic. We will share the story of the reference photo, the difference between contemporary art and traditional art. We will also share some acrylic painting tips. Hope you enjoy it. Let's begin. Traditional art is more realistic style. It uses true colors and focus on traditional skills. It is good for beginners to study art basics and develop solid foundation. Here are my master's early stage paintings. On the other side, contemporary art, normal refer to art style after 1960s, more current techniques. It has abstract or semi-abstract elements, and open to use different media and techniques. It also focus on artist's emotion expression.
So this picture, I used two reference photos. I really like the photo number 1. I like the trees, the shapes of trees. And I pick a few of colors from reference photo number 2. I love the sky. And I removed the background to simplify the image, to have a mental picture match the what I like. So I picked a few color schemas from the number 2 of use some of my favorite colors to paint with my style the picture what I imagined.
Here are 3 acrylic painting tips to share with you. Tip number 1, it dries very fast, so you need to work fast. Plan ahead is the tip. Tip number 2, it is hard to mix colors compared to oil paint, so for beginners it is good to use the mixed ready colors. Tip number 3, it is less smooth brushes strokes, so plan the theme to be modern or contemporary style. To summary, today, we showed you how to design and plan an art, the difference between traditional art and contemporary art. Then I shared 3 acrylic painting tips for beginners. Lastly, I showed you the steps of this acrylic art process. Hope you can learn something new. Did you learn something today? Now it is your turn. Why not try something you learned today and make your own art for me?
I'm glad you're still here with me. Thank you, Taco, for being my great assistant. If you would like to learn more, please like and subscribe. See you next time.